Hey, this is Louis. Today we're going to be installing our Magnum FORCE intake on this 2025 Ram 6.7 turbo diesel. Alright, so our first step is to remove the 14 clips to remove the trim. There's going to be 12 in the front and 2 back here. So let's grab our pry tool and go ahead and start popping this. And then now we're going to go ahead and remove the trim. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and remove the screws holding down our factory scoop. We're going to use a 10mm socket and we're going to go ahead and loosen them. Just like that. Now we're going to take our pry tool. We want to release these tabs. There's one on each side. So I'm going to go ahead and do the back one first. And I'll do the one right here. Then you're going to go ahead and pull it off the vehicle. Okay, now we're going to use our pry tool to remove these clips holding our air temperature sensor harness. All right, so now that we got this one off, we're going to go ahead and get the one from the airbox off. There you go. Now we're going to go ahead and remove our intake air temperature sensor. I'm going to go ahead and push down the clip, slide it off. Now we're going to grab our 8mm nut driver. We're going to go ahead and loosen up this clamp right here. And we're going to slide the tube off our airbox. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and slide our hand underneath the airbox and firmly pull up to release the airbox from the grommets. And then carefully remove it from the engine bay. We're going to go ahead and grab our pry tool. We're going to unclip this harness from our intake tube. Now we're going to go ahead and grab our pliers. We're going to pinch this spring clamp. We're going to remove the hose. Now we're going to grab our 8mm socket. We're going to go ahead and loosen our turbo clamp. Now that that's loosened, we're going to go ahead and simply pull it off our turbo and out of the vehicle. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove the grommets from our factory airbox. And we're going to go ahead and transfer them over to our Magnum FORCE airbox, just like that. Now we're going to go ahead and install our provided seal trim onto our housing. And it should look something like this. Now we're going to go ahead and transfer our intake air temp sensor over to our tube. We're going to use a T20 driver to unscrew the factory screw. Going to go ahead and install it into our tube. We're going to use the provided screw to secure it down onto our tube. And we're going to be using a T20 as well to secure it down. Should be something like this. Now before we go back into the vehicle, we're going to go ahead and pre-install our clamps. We're going to use our 64 clamp. We're going to put it on the turbo side of it. And the way you know which side of the coupler is the turbo side, in here there's a step, so you know this is going to be the smaller side. Then we're going to add our number 72 clamp onto it. We're going to go ahead and go in the vehicle now. All right, we're going to go ahead and slide our coupler onto the turbo, just like that. We're going to go ahead and reconnect our hose. Then we're going to lower our spring clamp. All right, want to make a note that we don't want to tighten up the clamps just yet, just so that we have some playroom. So when we install our intake tube, we could line it up with our housing. So we're going to leave them loose for now. So now we're going to go ahead and install our housing. We're going to line ourselves up on our grommets and pegs and firmly push down until the housing is set. Now we're going to go ahead and install our filter media into our housing. We're going to line it up and push the filter flange through the housing and make sure it locks into place. And this is what it looks like installed. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and install our tube. We're gonna go ahead and slide it onto our coupler first, and then we're gonna rotate it onto our filter. And it should look something like that. All right, we're gonna go ahead and tighten up all the clamps. We're gonna start with our filter clamp, tighten that one up. We're gonna move on to our lower tube clamp. And then last but not least, our turbo clamp. Now we're gonna go ahead and reconnect our intake air temp sensor. Simply push it in till it clips, you're good to go. So we're gonna take the factory air inlet from our factory housing, and we're gonna go ahead and install it onto our Magnum FORCE housing. It just simply slides in and clips on. Just like that. Now we're gonna go ahead and reinstall our factory scoop. Go ahead and slide it in, clip it on. We're gonna go ahead and line it up to our holes and put our screws through. We're gonna go ahead and use our 10mm to tighten it up. Just like that. Now we're gonna go ahead and install our factory trimming. Now we're gonna go ahead and reinstall our clips to secure our trimming down. Now that everything's put back together, we're gonna give you guys some sound clips. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.